So this is the label printer. I got the pink one. It's very lightweight. Comes with a charger. As you can see, I already put a label on there. Press this button, turn it on, hold it. It comes right on. And then here's some of the labels that I printed already. You can actually change the size and the font of the words. There we go. All right, so overall, like, I'm really happy that I came across this because it's like the easiest thing I've ever even set up in life. Like, setup was so simple. Comes with directions. Very simple. You just download the app and it gets you going. Like,